Welcome to the Friendly English Podcast. Learn English easily, naturally, and with fun.
Today we learn about shadowing in English. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. You copy the sound. You copy the words. You copy the rhythm. Shadowing is simple. Shadowing helps your speaking. Today we learn different types of shadowing. We learn how to use them. We practice together. We speak slowly. We speak clearly. We speak in short steps. Let us begin. Teach the topic with examples. Shadowing Type 1. Basic word. Shadowing. This is the simplest kind. You listen to one word. You say the same word. It is slow. It is easy. It helps your mouth move. It helps you hear English sounds. For example, I say the word water. You say water. I say the word morning. You say morning. I say the word happy. You say happy. This type is good for A1 students. This type builds confidence. This type makes you comfortable with sounds. Now a small set of practice words. Listen and shadow. Hello. Good nice time. Coffee, simple school idea, people ready. Take your time. Speak slowly. Relax your voice. Shadowing Type 2. Short phrase. Shadowing now we move to short phrases. A phrase is a small group of words. A phrase is longer than one word. A phrase is easy to shadow because it is short. Examples. Good morning. Thank you very much. See you soon. Have a nice day. I am ready now. This is my friend. I like this place. It is very quiet. I feel happy today. Let us start now. Listen and repeat. Stay slow. Stay relaxed. Do not hurry. Shadowing Type 3. Slow sentence. Shadowing. This type uses full sentences. The sentences are short. The sentences are clear. The sentences help you build real speaking skill. Examples. I am learning English every day. I feel good when I practice. I like slow and simple speaking. I want to speak more clearly. I am trying my best. I listen and repeat many times. I do not worry about mistakes. I learn from every step. When you shadow sentences, breathe slowly. Do not think too much. Just listen. Repeat in a calm voice. This helps your brain connect sound and meaning. Shadowing Type 4. Meaning shadowing. Meaning shadowing is simple. You hear a short idea. You say the idea again with the same meaning. You can change small words. You should keep the same meaning. This helps you speak naturally. This helps you think in English. Example, I say I am tired today. You say I feel tired today. Or I am a little tired. I say this room is quiet. You say the room is very quiet. Or it is a quiet room. I say I want some water. You say I need some water. Or I want a little water. Meaning shadowing is powerful. It helps you learn flexible speaking. It helps you express yourself. Shadowing Type 5. Real-life shadowing. Real-life shadowing uses natural conversation. The sentences sound like normal speech. They are not too fast. They are clear. They use easy everyday language. Example, I say, Hi. How are you today? You say hi. How are you today? I say I am going to the store now. You say I am going to the store now. I say, Do you want some tea? You say, Do you want some tea? I say, I will be back soon. You say, I will be back soon. This type prepares you for real conversations. This type builds confidence in daily speaking. Shadowing Type 6. Story. Shadowing story. Shadowing uses a short story. The story is slow. The story is simple. You shadow sentence by sentence. Example story. I wake up early in the morning. I open my window. The air feels fresh. I make a cup of tea. I sit near the window. I listen to the birds. I start my day slowly. It feels peaceful. Story shadowing helps you follow longer ideas. It helps you learn rhythm. It helps you connect thoughts. Shadowing type 7. Intonation. Shadowing. This type helps your voice sound natural. Intonation means the rise and fall of your voice. English uses a natural wave in speaking. Shadowing the intonation helps you sound more natural. Example, I say with soft rise and fall, I am happy to see you. You copy the same sound pattern. I say softly, it is a nice day today. You repeat with the same rise. I say gently, do you want to join me? You copy the shape of the question. Intonation shadowing is not fast. It is simple. Just listen and copy the voice shape. Shadowing type 8. Slow and long shadowing. This type uses longer sentences, but we keep the speed slow. We keep the sound clear. This helps you train your speaking muscle. Example, I say I want to practice English every day because it helps me feel more confident when I speak to other people. You say the same. I say I like learning in small steps because small steps are easy and comfortable. You follow slowly. I say shadowing helps me listen and speak at the same time, and it makes my English more natural. You repeat in a calm voice. This type is useful for A2 students. It builds stamina. It builds fluency. Shadowing type 9. Silent shadowing. This type uses no sound from you. You move your mouth silently. You copy the mouth shape. You copy the rhythm. It trains your speaking muscles. It trains your mouth to make English shapes. You listen to the sentence. You move your mouth. You do not make sound. This type is helpful when you cannot speak out loud. It is good practice on trains. It is good practice in public places. It is good practice at school. Shadowing type 10. Echo. Shadowing echo shadowing means you repeat 1 or 2 seconds after the speaker. You do not speak at the same time. You speak just a moment later. This gives you a short time to listen and prepare. Example. I say, I like this music. 1 second later, you say I like this music. I say, this place feels calm. You echo. This place feels calm. Echo shadowing is good for beginners. It gives you time. It gives you space. It feels less stressful. Shadowing. Type 11. Live. Shadowing. Live shadowing is when you shadow videos or recordings. You can use podcasts. You can use YouTube. You can use slow English videos. You follow the sound. You shadow the speaker. You keep your pace slow and gentle. This type helps you practice with real content. It helps you feel more comfortable with natural speaking styles. Shadowing type 12. Rhythm. Shadowing English has rhythm. Some syllables are strong, some syllables are soft. Rhythm shadowing means you copy the beat of the sentence. Example, I say I like to drink coffee in the morning. You listen for the beat. You say it the same way. I say, she waits for the bus every day. You follow the stress pattern. Rhythm shadowing helps you sound natural. It helps your speech flow smoothly. Shadowing type 13. Micro-shadowing. Micro-shadowing uses very tiny chunks, just 2 or 3 words. It is very easy. It helps beginners speak confidently. Example. You follow in the morning, at the store with my friend. After school, very slowly now, very calm now. Micro-shadowing is good when you feel tired. It is good when you want simple practice. Shadowing type 14. Smooth shadowing. Smooth shadowing means you keep your voice soft and steady. You do not stop. You do not break. You speak like water flowing. Example, I say, I feel relaxed today. You say gently, I feel relaxed today. I say, the weather is nice. You say smoothly, the weather is nice. Smooth shadowing helps your pronunciation. It makes your speaking clear and calm. Shadowing Type 15. Confidence shadowing. In this type, you do not worry about mistakes. You just repeat. You relax. You focus on speaking. You do not judge yourself. This type trains your mindset. Example. I say I am learning step by step. You say I am learning step by step. I say I can do this. You say I can do this. I say I am improving every day. You say I am improving every day. This type is simple but powerful. It helps you enjoy learning. It helps you feel positive. Repeat the key ideas slowly. Shadowing means listen and speak together. Shadowing helps your mouth. Shadowing helps your ears. Shadowing helps your flow. Shadowing types include words, phrases, sentences, stories, rhythm, and intonation. Shadowing can be slow. Shadowing can be silent. Shadowing can be echo style. Shadowing can be real life. Shadowing is simple. Shadowing is for beginners. Shadowing makes you stronger in English. Small speaking practice task. Here is a small practice now. Shadow me slowly. I am ready to learn. I speak with calm. I listen and repeat. I take small steps. I feel more confident. I can improve my English. I learn a little every day. I enjoy this practice. I am doing a good job. I will keep going. Now choose one type of shadowing from today. Practice it for 3 minutes. Do it slowly. Do it calmly. Repeat many times. This is how you grow.
Listening to the Friendly English Podcast. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next episode. Like, share, subscribe.